by reading a recent discussion thread on Reddit, which presented a long-held view that is antithetical to what I think SEO really is. The discussion of those who work in SEO was about how their job stops at rankings. Once visitors go to the site, their job ends. What search visitors do at the site isn't their responsibility. In their interpretation of SEO, they can't be held responsible if the website, products, offer, or experience isn't enough to make the business successful. I've seen this attitude since the beginning of SEO, a one-and-done type mentality. This type of approach is only half of what makes SEO such a powerful website marketing tool. It leads to multiple scams and broken promises because rankings are the goal.